want to keep it private sana eh, pero sige, why not? We're here. Here na rin naman, and I never usually divulge these things. So, siyempre, I've always been the type of person na I've never seen myself as an old bachelor. I can't imagine what that type of life would be. I love children. And I can't wait for the time na magkakaroon ako ng mga anak, tapos gagawa kami ng mga experiments. Yung bumibili ako lagi sa Cubs and Lands, mga science kids, dinadala ko sa mga pamangkin ko. Bihira ko lang naman makita, nasa Japan sila eh. Imagine, ano kayo, kapagkada ka, may tinuturo ako, you're nurturing someone, you're helping them in life. Having a family, wouldn't that be the dream?
Si Carla nga, di ba? Talagang naging emotional siya nung mga anak si Iya. They're so close.
Yeah, but she loves children. She loves her nieces so much. And I love my nephews and nieces. And that would be, I think, that the greatest joy would be to raise a family.
Do you like big weddings? Would you prefer a big wedding? Or
a wedding is not, sa akin,
the marriage is
as long as the person you want to marry is there, that's the most important part for me. So kung sa bride man, that's the important part. By all means, basta I will be as supportive as a person, I would try to be supportive na lang and try to be involved as much as possible kung ano yung kakaya.
Siguro ang ganda-ganda ni Carla wearing her wedding.
Sa mga teleserye pa nga lang, sobrang ganda na. Paano kaya